running straight through your heart, but it seems like I'm running through a maze. The only thing keeping these walls from closing in is a picture of your beautiful face. I'm dreaming of your eyes, trying to survive, but your love is what it's gonna take. I just want you to see me. You're the reason I continue to breathe. I've been thinking about you. That's how I get till I get back to you. Till I get back to all your get back. All I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. That's how till I get back.
It's like, what was that moment? Take us back to that moment where you said, I want to be an artist, I want to be in the music industry, I want to write songs and make people sound good and feel good. What was that very moment? Take us back to that first moment.
Man, the first moment that I decided that I was going to be an artist or a writer.
Like, you might have been at church, you know what I'm saying, singing, because I can see you at church singing.
See, that's where you're wrong.
And then the spirit hit you.
See, that's where you're wrong. See, I didn't sing it.
Okay.
I played bass in church.
Oh, you was behind.
I was behind it.
Okay, the funky bass.
Yeah,
but I knew it was church. So.
Yeah, but I did come up in church.
Okay.
I'm a preacher's kid.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So were you sitting in church when the spirit hit you and said, you know what? I want to make some money. I want to be in the music industry. Take us back to that moment.
Well, when I first knew that music was going to be my thing, it was that bass guitar. That was my thing. That was the first instrument I fell in love with. Tuscaloosa, Alabama, young kid watching the guys play bass.
Roll Tide.
And I was like, that's me, Roll Tide. That's it, Roll Tide.
Oh yeah.
And my dad, who's my pastor, prayed for my hands, bought me a bass guitar, and said, you know, God teach him how to play. Never took any lessons, but like April mentioned, the bass guitar got me started. It took me all the way into college, played football, you know what I mean, got a business degree, but I knew that music was going to be my thing. But I knew I had to pay some bills, so that's why I studied business. That's why I studied business. But when I knew, before we get into what I knew I was gonna do, I knew when I had to go all in. It's when I ran out of vacation time. I ran out of vacation time. You wanna hear the story? Of course. Listen, I'm working that day job, doing music on the side, and I'm traveling, getting a lot of gigs on bass, you know. And then I got this great opportunity, but I only had 3 vacation days left, and I had to make a decision: my dream or my job. So
How many people ever had to choose between their job and their dream?
Come on.
I know if y'all gotta say amen to that. Amen. Now, this is all the response.
Yes, sir.
So y'all gonna have to interact a little bit. But go ahead.
Absolutely. So I went to my boss and I said, hey man, I'm gonna have to use my last 3 days for this great opportunity. And he said, we don't have enough coverage, so you're not gonna be able to go. Come on now.
That was the test right
That
there.
was the test.
To see if you really believed in this music thing or you was just playing.
There you go. So this is 2002. Now this is before, and I'm in Alabama. It's not Atlanta, this is Alabama, okay? So that's real faith to go say, you know what, boss? I'm gonna have to resign. And I turned in my resignation, and I never looked back. Was it scary? Heck yeah, it was scary.
Wow.
It was very scary. But I did it. I took that great leap of faith, and I was making good money. But that's when I knew that I was gonna eat with music. Not just make music, not just love music. I was gonna get married with music. I was gonna raise my kids with music. I was gonna put my kids through school, get health insurance with music. That's a whole different journey. When you say I'm gonna eat with music. And I've been eating